Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7964XXA. Only 6,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power lift gate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Removable custom fit WeatherTech mat for easy cleaning. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. WeatherTech mats throughout. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 6,000 miles with driver information system. As well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to a gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and again, only 6,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.